Okay guys, so today I am unboxing another product from our place. I'm really excited. I've been holding on to this thing for a while, just for this video. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you can tell, this product is from our place. It's the same place that I got the perfect pot that we unboxed in the last couple videos. Yeah, so let's see what this one has to offer. I'm hoping this one has a couple good quotes like the last one did that we unboxed. The last one had something about like chosen family and that kind of way, like how you can choose your family, which I thought was pretty cool personally, because you always hear about how you can't choose your family, and that pen or pot was like, yeah, you can. So let's see what this one says. We're gonna go with the pick off that. Let's see what we got inside, guys. I'm so excited for this. Let's see. So guys, we are off to a good start because this one says cooking is about to get a whole lot easier. You can see that. And on Cooking Made Simple, that is the name of the game. So, quote, pass the test on the first one. So let's see what we got inside the box. Let's see. Okay guys, they are coming out the gate with all these quotes. We got another one on the top. It says, welcome to our place. We saved you a seat. Nice. Liking that already. At our place, we believe the strongest connections are made over a home-cooked meal. So guys, that's off to a great start, I would say. And the first thing you see in this box is the lid. We got the lid, and we have, I think it's another recipe to cook with. Let's see. Put that down. We got this. It's like a natural sponge made for scrubbing away at the dishes you left to soak in the sink. Soak sponge in water to activate and get to scrubbing. You guys can see that? It's like they took a shot at us and said that you guys left it to soak, but they know we're kind of lying about that. So 1-0 for our place. Do we get a recipe with this one? I don't think we do. Not yet, at least. I think the last the pot we unboxed 2 weeks ago had a recipe for some kind of soup that we're gonna make later on. But yeah, so let's put that aside for now. I got this same color as the pot that we unboxed last time. It's called steam color. Okay. Say goodbye to takeout. Yep. Yes, sir. Oh, baby. There she is. There is the Always pan. Looks like a beauty. We have a nesting steamer, your new nesting steamer basket for dumplings, veggies, and more. Okay, good to know. So it's like a little steamer basket that just sits inside the pan on top. It just sits inside and you can kind of steam stuff. The Always pan is designed to help you do more with less. That's what I'm all about. Doing more with less. Doing more with less. Yep. I like that already, guys. This one has a lot more quotes and sayings than the pot we unboxed did, which is okay. I like the sayings. I don't know why I like the sayings so much, but it's just it's a nice touch. We got some kind of rest here for something, maybe a spoon that comes with it. But this steamer basket, I guess, just sits inside like that, so you can steam stuff. We are going to use this pan quite a bit, so you guys will get to see how these things are used. What else do we got in the box? So we have a spoon, a wooden spoon, or a spatula, I guess. It's more of a spatula type device. Utensil, I guess, not device. A spatula type utensil. And you guys see this little notch? this little hole right there, I guess that's where this thing sits inside of. Boom, like that, sleek. Upside down, all the drippings go off inside. No mess, easy cleanup. Awesome, I like that. Kind of makes things a bit more neat and kind of looks kind of cool. What else do we got? Let's see. Okay, this the last box was reusable for a bunch of different purposes they listed. This one is also reusable. It says some of our fave ways to reproduce it includes art projects, cat beds, storing top secret family recipes, and garage sale signage for all the old pots and pans you will be giving away. That's a little presumptuous on our place's end, but I guess they know they got some good products. When you are ready to part with it, it's 100% biodegradable and has been thoughtfully designed to minimize waste. Okay, so like the last one, I'm not going to be doing any of that stuff, guys. I'm going to keep this for something, but I am probably going to throw it out or recycle it, I guess. Yeah. I unboxed the perfect pot from our place 2 weeks back. If you guys haven't seen the video, I'll try to put it right here for you guys to go and click on. Yeah, so all in all, you get the always pan with a nice good coating, easy, clean, non-stick coating. We got that. We got a steamer basket that sits inside. And honestly, guys, I have never used a steamer basket, I think, in my life. So now that we have one, we are definitely going to use it and see if it's a game changer. Or not. So we got that steamer basket, wooden spoon or beechwood spoon holder, and we got a lid. Our lid doesn't have any holes in this one like the last one did. The last one had like slotted holes on one side, so I guess for steam to come out of. I guess this one you don't really use it for those type of purposes probably, but it has a pour spout. Let's see, yeah, it has a pour spout on this side and the other side. You guys can pour stuff out pretty easily, I would assume. There we go. Beechwood spoon, put that there. Oh, I see. Okay, this notch is so you can close it with the spoon in place. Let's put this around so it lays flat. Sleek. Nice, I like that. It all kind of fits together in one shot. Yeah, so like the last unboxing video, I'm not going to be cooking with this in this video. It's just kind of an unboxing video to kind of show you guys what it comes with in the box, and if you buy it, what you would be expecting to open up in the box. So guys, there you have it, the Always Pan from our place. A sleek pot that I'm very looking forward to using. I'm very excited. I had this in my closet in the box for a long time, just waiting to do this video for you guys. So yeah, if you guys liked today's video, give me a fat thumbs up. Like the video if you like the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.